Hello everyone! Welcome back to MJ Pharma. Today, we are covering the drug of choice for common hematological disorders, from iron deficiency anemia to leukemia. Know what to give on priority basis. Let's begin! Drug of choice for microcytic anemia. Ferrous sulfate. Drug of choice for iron deficiency anemia in pregnancy. Ferrous sulfate. Drug of choice for warfarin overdose. Vitamin K. Drug of choice for heparin overdose. Protamine sulfate. Drug of choice for hairy cell leukemia. Cladribine. Drug of choice for chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Fludarabine. Drug of choice for chronic myeloid leukemia, CML. Imatinib. Drug of choice for chemotherapy-induced anemia. Erythropoietin. Drug of choice for anemia due to chronic kidney disease, CKD. Erythropoietin. Drug of choice for autoimmune hemolytic anemia. Prednisolone. Drug of choice for transient ischemic attack, TIA. Aspirin. Drug of choice for multiple myeloma. Melphalan. Drug of choice for heparin-induced thrombocytopenia. Argatrobin. Drug of choice for chemotherapy-induced leukopenia. Sargramostim. Drug of choice for chemotherapy-induced thrombocytopenia. Aprelvacin. First-line drugs for multiple myeloma. Prednisolone, cyclophosphamide. Drug of choice for bleeding due to heparin. Pyridine. Thrombolytic agent of choice in acute myocardial infarction. Streptokinase. Drug of choice for arterial fibrillation-induced clotting. Warfarin. Drug of choice for prevention of stroke. Aspirin. Drug of choice for prevention of deep vein thrombosis. Low molecular weight heparin. Drug of choice for preventing bleeding due to thrombolytic therapy. Epsilon aminocapronic acid. Drug of choice for treatment of deep vein thrombosis. Low molecular weight heparin. Drug of choice for pulmonary embolism. Low molecular weight heparin. Drug of choice for anemia and chronic renal failure. Erythropoietin. This video is for educational awareness only. Always consult a certified healthcare professional before using or advising any medication. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with MJ Pharma.